Earning money while you sleep might sound too good to be true, but with the right strategies, it's possible to make $50 a day with minimal effort. Passive income is money earned with little ongoing effort after the initial setup. It can come from various sources. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products on your blog or social media. 2. Create and sell digital products. 3. Renting out assets like your home. You can earn passive income through investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending. Apps like Fope, Turo, and Sweatcoin can help you generate passive income with little effort, contributing to your $50 day goal. Starting a YouTube channel can lead to passive income through ad revenue and sponsorships after creating content. With a blog, you can earn money through affiliate links, sponsored posts, and ads, aiming for $50 a day once set up. Apps like Acorns, Honeygain, and Dosh can generate small daily earnings without much effort. Start by researching passive income methods that suit your skills. Choose one or two and dedicate time to setting them up. Making $50 a day passively is achievable with the right strategy. Start simple and scale up as you grow.